Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to convert PDF to HTML web page using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file. Check the file. Go to File menu. Save as. Select the destination and save as type. Choose the file format as a HTML and click save. Now go to your file destination, open the file in your browser. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.